Patching and redrilling is usually the better long-term choice when effort, cost, and reliability are balanced correctly. When damage is moderate to large, remove loose paper and gypsum until you reach solid substrate. Then install a mesh patch or backing and apply 2 thin coats of setting-type joint compound, feathering each coat at least 4 inches beyond the damage, sanding lightly between coats with a fine sanding block. For small surface issues, use a pre-mixed repair compound and press a self-adhesive metal or plastic anchor repair plate flush to the wall before filling, so the anchor will later bite into a stable surface. Allow full curing time, which for setting compounds can be 1 to 24 hours depending on the formula and temperature. And for pre-mixed compounds, expect up to 72 hours in cool or humid conditions. Once the compound is fully dry, mark and measure carefully, drill a pilot hole through the patch into the underlying stud or solid substrate where possible, and install a properly sized anchor following the manufacturer torque guidance, so the fastener does not spin. If you cannot reach solid backing, consider a hollow wall anchor designed for heavy loads. Install it into the dried repair following the specified hole diameter and insertion method, and test load gently before hanging the fixture. Always use a level and measure from fixed architectural points, so repeat fixes align, and keep extra patching compound and several anchor types on hand to match wall conditions on the first try. 3 common mistakes are relying on fasteners in partially repaired gypsum that is not fully cured or that contains trapped air, which lets anchors spin or pull out. So let repairs dry completely and compress layers as you apply them, using oversized holes or overdriving screws which destroy the anchor grip. So match hole diameter to the anchor and stop when resistance indicates proper seating, and skipping substrate assessment and drilling only into gypsum when a stud or solid backing is available. So use a stud finder or small exploratory pilot to confirm backing, and if none exists, choose a heavy-duty hollow wall anchor or add internal backing before finishing. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors by letting us list projects, compare responses, and read community experiences related to drywall repair so users can make informed choices. We also help contractors find work by letting them respond to posted jobs and participate in our discussion community to share tips and reputation.